In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple camera or multiple webcams on OBS Studio. So first of all, make sure you have connected multiple cameras and webcams with your computer. Now come to your OBS and select a scene, and under sources, click on this plus icon and select video capture device. And you can just rename your first camera or webcam. And I'm clicking on OK and click on this device drop down, and from this device list you have to select your first camera or first webcam that you want to add, and then just click on OK. And as you can see, I've successfully added a sample webcam. And now if you want to resize, you can just go ahead and resize your first camera. Also, you can just go ahead and reposition. And now to add your second camera, again come to source, click on this plus icon, again select video capture device and rename your second camera and click on OK. And now from this device list, you have to select the second camera or second webcam you want to add, and then just click on OK. And here, as you can see, my second camera successfully added. So that's how. Just go ahead and repeat this process and add multiple cameras or webcams to your OBS Studio.